This leaf stays clean, even in the dirtiest water. The lotus leaf grows in ponds filled with mud, still water, and decay. Yet its surface remains remarkably untouched, as if it quietly refuses to carry what does not belong to it. Beneath its smooth appearance lies a complex structure of microscopic bumps and waxy layers that prevent water from spreading across the surface. Instead, droplets form and roll away, lifting dirt, bacteria, and fine particles as they move. This natural process, known as the lotus effect, allows the leaf to remain clean without effort, force, or resistance. While many plants absorb elements from their soil, the lotus leaf interacts selectively, allowing contact without attachment. Modern science has studied this surface for years, translating its design into self-cleaning glass, water-repellent fabrics, and protective coatings used in buildings and everyday materials. Long before these discoveries, people noticed something quietly remarkable. The lotus remained pure while growing directly from mud. Across cultures, the leaf became a symbol, not because it avoided impurity, but because it was unchanged by it. The lotus does not escape its environment. It exists fully within it. The water around it may be stagnant or polluted, yet each moment offers renewal as droplets fall and roll away. Sunlight touches the leaf briefly. Water gathers, then disappears, leaving no trace. This cycle repeats again and again, not as an act of perfection, but of balance. In its ecosystem, the lotus leaf provides shade that cools the water beneath, sheltering small organisms and supporting life without dominance. Its broad shape captures light efficiently, while its flexibility allows it to bend with wind and rain instead of breaking. Even when damaged, the plant continues to grow quietly, sending up new leaves without urgency. The lotus leaf teaches a lesson rooted in simplicity. Strength does not always come from resistance, and cleanliness does not require separation. Sometimes resilience is built by knowing what to hold and what to let pass. In a world that constantly accumulates noise, weight, and distraction, the lotus leaf endures through release, repeating the same gentle act season after season, untouched by the mud beneath it, and unchanged by the world it lives within.